Hey there, lads and lasses. This here is Thunderhand64 coming at you live from the west coast of the United States here on a Sunday afternoon. It is a little bit past 4 o'clock p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and that can only mean that it's time for Kaachee Time! Let's get Kaachee up on the Discord and see if we can connect with him. Kaachee, can you hear us?
Yeah.
Spinning around idly in your spinny chair. What are you eating? Are those Doritos? Doritos? Great, now your keyboard's going to be all stained with orange. Alrighty, so, Kaachee, once you can speak without your mouth full, and you can clean your fingertips. What are we going to be doing today? I've got a Doritos caught in my windpipe. No, I gotta really look at the camera and make sure he's okay. I think he is.
No.
All right, I think he's all right. Okay.
I am currently in dummy defense stuff, though.
All right, you're in dummy defense right now.
Yep.
All right, so I guess I should join that then, huh? Or do we want to just look at your screen?
Just look at mine.
Yeah, okay. So I'll flip over to your screen here. And there we are, in dummy defense. And remember, if you want to get rid of the Windows bar at the top, you can just hit F11.
I know.
Yep. Nice looking. Okay, there it is. And also, we can just barely see the top of your head in your cam. You might want to point your cam down a little bit. That's good. All right, so what do you have to show us today?
I added some new features. I was currently working on a radio, but not working, so... I mean, I just started working on it, so it doesn't work, but...
Yeah, it's not finished yet, right? Still under development. So you
Yeah, so
had
I had a
your
new log-
ID Tech Roblox class today, right? Earlier this morning?
Yeah.
Okay,
Let
cool.
me put notification. So one thing, I don't think you can hear the sound, but I changed the music.
Okay,
So,
I
the
can
new
kill the
lobby-
stream music. Oh, yeah, but you're not transmitting the sound, right?
Yeah, it gets... OBS won't let me.
Yeah, I still got to fix that for you over there. I can jump in for a moment, though, so we can hear the music, right?
You can't because I haven't updated the game. It's only in
Oh,
only
okay.
Roblox Studios.
Yeah, okay, it's Roblox Studios, not the... All right. Now I understand.
So I edited the matches system.
Okay, so just break down the matches system for us, just quickly.
Matches is invites. I haven't added invites yet, and matches don't work yet too. But you can see the matches, and then when you press invites, it should open up invites, but I don't have that fixed yet. But
Okay.
you can open the create. These are all NPCs, so they actually don't do anything because I
Uh-huh.
haven't figured out how to add players. So
Not yet.
yeah, we added maps. These are temporary. Nod, Wind, and Biao are temporary.
Okay, do the
But
maps load?
Garden, we have the data for it, so when we actually start working on the game, it'll work.
Okay.
Yeah, so Nod, Wind, all of these are actually temporary. This used to be a map, but we're getting rid of it.
All right, those are the interfaces for the maps. Okay, got it.
And if you're watching this in the future when the game releases, the way you close the game is by pressing this button. So that like minimizes it. And then to to unminimize it, you press it again. And then to actually like close the match and get rid of it, you press disband.
Okay. All right.
So if you're ever confused about that, that's how it works.
All right. Maybe when you're ready to launch it, we could do some streams, but we could also do like some quick video, right? Like this is how you play dummy defense, right? I mean, most people who play the tower defense games will know how to play this, but
Oh, that's weird. Need to fix that glitch later, but yeah, it's a glitch where it does that.
oh, okay. Got a little bit of
Check
coding
script.
coding to do. How do you pull up the matches screen like that?
It tweens.
Okay. All right, I'm trying to read your code here through the OBS stream monitoring screen, which is a little bit hard.
Wait. Map. No, not. Where is it? I think it's in here. Play button. Okay. Oh, because I didn't make a condition. I only told it. Wait. Let's make it true again. I need to look at some stuff. Okay, so the way I tell if you either minimized or exited the map is with this value that's in the player.
Okay.
So this in-match bool. Bools are like true or false.
Right.
So
that comes from
it's a true
Boolean.
or
Yeah.
false. Yeah. So pretty much what happens is when I create a match, so when I go over here, create a match, it sets it to true. When I disband it, that is weird. It does not do what it's supposed to do. Okay. Oh, I never set it to false. That's why.
Yeah, I was going to say. Usually, if you wanted to do it, want to do the opposite thing, right? It needs to read false.
I think there is like a.
So there should be a condition, right? If this, then true. If that, then false.
Yeah.
Right?
I remember there was like a bug for some reason.
Yeah, your code readout is too small in this screen, and you know where it is, and I don't. So it's. All right.
There should be there. If we do that.
All right. Yeah, let's try that. All right, so it's compiling and then reloading.
Okay, so you gotta make
there.
sure with this value. So check mark means it's true, and then when it's blank like this, it means it's false.
Uh-huh.
Good. Okay.
Nice.
Okay, yeah, I fixed it. It was that easy. Okay.
Nice. There
And
you go.
then when I should load it back up, yep, it worked.
Yay! Well done, son.
I don't know if. Yeah, currently there's a bug that I didn't fix since this right now makes it so it turns the music off, but the thing is that since I added new lobby music, I didn't change the script to make it so it changes.
Oh yeah, because you updated the lobby music, right?
Yeah, because I still have the old one in the game, and I'm
Okay.
gonna use that for something. I'm gonna have it like, hey, do you want the old one or the new one? So let me find that script. Setting. New. Okay, that should work. We tell it to mute new. Okay.
All right, let it compile and then reload.
Okay.
Settings, muted,
Yep.
mute.
Yep, it works. It
All
works.
right.
You can't hear it, but it does work.
Right. We'll have to wait till you update the game and then we can log on. And viewers, just a reminder that we're not actually in the game itself right now. We're in Roblox Studio.
Yeah, so we're updating the game, but we're not actually playing it.
Yeah.
I mean, we're test playing it, so.
Right. That's why I can't log on because, yeah, we're in Roblox Studio right now. And I say we're in it, but actually Kachee's in it and we're viewing him in it.
All right, let me add that radio system I just said I was talking about.
Okay.
So, oh, there's Soup right there.
Soup.
I don't know what he's doing. He's doing something, but we got the radio GUI. So we gotta add some text right here, and just say I don't know, like, we want to make it physical.
All right, so what does the radio do? Is that like a radio in which there's a set list of songs and you can have that playing, or?
Yeah.
Okay.
So say like radio, and then we'll change that. This. We add a frame. Make it like a border on the side.
So Kaachee is actually making the interface for the radio feature right now.
Yeah. There, radio. Okay, so now we want to add, I guess, like a little interface for like a song.
All I can think of right now is the Autograph song from the 80s.
Oh, we gotta add a scrolling frame. I forgot. Where is it? Here. Not gonna do that. Okay, first I gotta delete this frame.
So viewers, you're getting a little bit of behind the scenes stuff of coding for a Roblox game.
Scrolling. Okay.
All right, so you've got a scrolling field now for all of the songs. I've got to see if I can guess the features as you're putting them in, all right? Which might be a little annoying, but...
No, it's fine, it's fine.
So you need an able-disable kind of thing, right? Or on and off, right?
Yeah, like an on and off, kind of.
And will you have a volume level there that you can...
Yeah, volume level.
And then song selection, right?
Yeah. So what do you think this is right now?
All right, well, that's got to be the field. I would think logically you would have the radio on, radio off feature first, right?
Well, yeah, but like, what do you think I'm like this huge box is for right now?
Well, I think that would be the graphic, right? For that first part.
Roundify. Okay. So we have one thing right here. What do you think we should name this?
Let me see. It depends on the context.
Yeah, we should. probably DD lobby. DD is short for dummy defense. So
Okay.
be new. Call it that.
DD lobby new. All right.
Okay. So now we need scrolling frame is huge. Hold up. Okay, the thickness. Like 5. No, 5 is huge. That's too thin. Maybe like a 7. Yeah, that's good.
Are you picking your text size right now?
No, the scrolling, like the actual like thing.
Oh,
This
okay.
thing right
Yep.
here on the
Got
side.
it. Yep.
Yeah, that. What if we changed it? Whoops. Oh, that's how you make it bigger. Oh, okay. I never knew that. You just keep on snapping. Where is the position at on this?
Yeah, I was going to say you can adjust the position, right, where it'll be only so many units away, right?
That's -1, huh? Change it to like that's actually going up. We would want to make this not negative. Yeah.
Yeah, then there's some guides at the top and on the side, right? Like your 40, what does that say? 49 units. Now it's what, 19?
Yeah.
Now it's 29, so you know you can measure it out, right?
Oh my god, it just...
Here, let me help you with that, pal. No, just do what I tell you to do, please.
Too high up. Like a 3? That is not the right thing. What?
That's pretty good.
I want it to be like the exact size. Like almost exactly where that... There you go.
Yeah, that looks good.
Now we need a...
Hey, can you lock that position now so you don't accidentally bump it and...
Yeah, let me just copy it, so like if I need to change it, like for example like that, I can just
paste it back in if it's on the clipboard
Yeah,
still.
that.
Okay.
Okay. Now I need an album cover. Which I don't have. So
maybe you can
But I-
grab maybe you can grab one of your
Yeah.
Google Slide images that you've been making.
I think I can just like have like a temporary image here.
Yeah, okay.
What I usually do. So what I usually do is just I go in the asset store and then find some goofy image and I put it there.
Yeah, just temporarily until you choose something, right, or make something.
Yeah, let me share my screen actually. Okay, yeah, let me share my entire screen this time.
All right.
Oh wait, I think I had an option to like, yeah, also share audio system.
Yep.
Yeah, we're gonna go on like Roblox.
Okay, yeah, we can see it.
My character. We'd go to create. Then we'd go to store.
Welcome back to Creator Hub. Browse models.
Got it. Images.
Oh man.
I don't know. What should we do?
You know,
Now just
the first thing I think of, honestly, is the image that you made on Google Slides where we're on the basketball court.
yeah. Hmm.
But I don't know how easy or how fast it would be for you to patch that in there.
No, take a while.
Yeah, screw that.
There's a really funny image. Where is it? This one like really goofy image I remember.
Let me see. I think all of these images are family friendly on here, right? Because it's
Oh my god, I found it.
yeah. Okay.
Yeah, so like all of these images except for the shop are all temporary. They're
Yeah.
all really goofy. That's
Yeah.
why I just find like goofy images. Okay. So that's currently our album
Ah.
cover. We got our album. We got our album cover.
Yeah, you just got to remember to change those before you launch the game, only because once players see that, when you go to say, okay, that was just temporary, here's the real one, they're like, no, when I first started playing the game, it's so nostalgic. I remember this being up, and this is the thing. And then you're stuck with that temporary image because that's what the fans want.
Yeah.
Yeah, so you got to be like extra careful when you launch the game about things like that.
That is the actual song of the name, by the way. So I'm naming these after the actual.
Okay, yeah,
like, name I named it.
I can't read that on OBS. So what does that say? It says intermission.
Intermission.
Okay, got it.
Okay, I might need to shrink this down. So like, then I can do something like that.
Oh, are you going to put a thumbnail for each song?
Yeah.
Okay, got it.
Oh, okay. It's so small that you can't.
Yeah, I think you could just type a value in for that, right, son, instead of just trying to nudge it by hand.
Oh, there you go.
Okay.
There you go. I got it.
Nice. Now, can you just copy all of that and paste it for the next song? And then just change it?
Okay. I don't know how to do like a bar, I guess. So for now, it's just gonna be like a play button. Okay. So we should make it an image, right? Let's call this like play button. Actually, play. There we go. I don't know, green? Oh, there's an image on top of it, that's why. Nope, image. Actually, okay, well, what images do I have on here? Screenshot 158, I wonder what that is.
Too bad you didn't have an image ready of the triangle for play and then the
Yeah, I didn't.
the square
Well, maybe
for
I
one.
could just find that on the. Maybe I could just find it on like the asset store.
Maybe
probably-
it might have something in there, like if you type in play button. Yeah, there you go.
Like this, like this, like this.
Yeah, there you go.
I literally saw a play button that was from Tower Blitz, so.
Yeah, and then you can have a stop button, and I'm sure it'll do a similar thing, right?
Yeah, play. And then. Oh, then we need like a. Pause, I guess? Like, what would that. What is those?
Do you want pause or stop?
It's like a. Yeah, like this, like this. Like, you know it's playing. You know it's playing.
Yeah, okay.
Yeah, we actually need to change that. So pause, and then we change the button, and then we just make this invisible, or actually just active. Wait, no, I guess just make it not visible. So there's the play button. So I'm just gonna add a script, local script.
Oh, so let me guess what you're going to do here. So when you press it in its play, it will then switch to the pause image, right?
Yeah.
When you press as a pause image, it will display the triangle play again. All right.
New. Oh my. Okay. Okay, so we first got to tell it to stop playing it. Okay, so we do script dot parent, I think dot activated, and then connect, and then function, and this here. So first, we probably should just make the lobby music stop playing. Well, I guess for this one, we just make it like restart from the beginning.
Yeah, because you got to think of your default state, right?
Because it is playing the lobby music, but we want it to...
Right. So before you try any of the options of it, it's just automatically doing its thing when the game loads, right?
Yeah, let's try that.
And
No,
then,
I think you'll be able to hear the sound.
yeah, then as it's like, okay, if you want to stop the music or you want to change to a different song or something, then you can do that. Otherwise, it just plays like it's supposed to.
So can you hear it?
Well, we can't because we're not in the game.
No, I meant because I turned on sound.
Oh, okay. Let me turn off the stream music then, and then we'll have a listen. No, I cannot hear.
It says I have sound on.
You know what though? You might have to resend your Video Ninja link because it might have updated. But I can see your audio sources.
Oh, but then it gets your sound.
Oh, and then we have the echo from the voice, right?
Just leave it be.
Yeah, it's fine. Like I said, when you
Yeah,
update the game later on, maybe next Kaachee Time or something like that, I can jump in. We can hear it.
Oh yeah, then we gotta change it so the pause is visible again. So it's one really easy way to get to scripts instead of typing out game.players.localplayers.player.gui. You can just say script.parent, parent, script.parent.parent, and then just find everything in that folder. Because usually when you do GUI, you would have to do like game.players.localplayers.player GUI, not game GUI. And then you gotta find the actual thing is located, and then you gotta go inside the scrolling frame, and then you gotta go inside of this. So it's super hard.
Yeah, it's a
But since
rabbit
it's
hole.
in almost, since it's in like the same thing, you just say script.parent, parent, and then you just find pause.
Yep, that's the shortcut.
Pause, and then we just say pause. Dot visible equals. So now we gotta add a script for pause, which I think for now, what would that do? I feel like that just would not do anything because I mean it's playing the lobby music. So for now, it's just gonna make pause. It's gonna turn off. Well, no, because think about it. You're listening to the lobby music, but then you're playing the lobby music again.
Right.
So it just won't do anything. Okay, yeah. Yeah. That is what I want. So, yeah, music. And then we get to play this time. And then we make play.visible true. And then no, but then oh yeah, we have to also turn this off too.
Right,
wait,
because then you'll get them playing at the same time, right?
yeah. So we need to make play dot. Oh, we need script dot parent equals visible. Wait, no, dot visible equals false. No. And then we gotta do the same thing for this. Script dot parent dot visible equals false. Alright, that should work.
Yeah, if we did for Video Ninja, if you did capture window instead of capture entire screen, you might be able to get the audio for just the window, which would give us this. And
Yeah.
You wouldn't get my audio for Discord.
Yeah, but that doesn't work for the audio, so.
Yeah, it's grayed out, right? It doesn't give you that option.
No, it just straight up tells me no audio source found.
Yeah, I might be able to tweak that.
So now we gotta add the whole system where it actually stops the lobby music.
It's funny your Chinese accent came out there a little bit, and that when you said system like that, you sounded like Stephen He. Now we get to add the no system.
That always comes out only a little bit. Every now and then you can hear that.
Yeah, viewers, if you don't know, I mean, I think you can tell by looking at him, but Kaachee's half Taiwanese, so. although you got to admit, none of your Taiwanese family speak like that, right? I don't think any of them do. I think that's more like a mainland or Chinese thing. Because the Taiwanese, like, if you listen to like, and I can say their names because these are their non-Chinese names, so it's not their real names. But if you listen to like Louis Shushu, he doesn't talk like that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. So, Akong doesn't talk like that. Agu doesn't talk like that, right? So.
I think I just like troll people with that so much that's
Yeah, I think that's more of what it is. You and your friends trolling each other at school.
Yeah. Oop. He's gonna mess around with the GUI, isn't he? Never mind. Ooh, what's that? Cool looking gun.
Did Soup leave some random gun floating out there in space?
Yeah, he also this is actually one of my old designs. This is one of Random Guy's old designs that I put in and then never finished, and then he finished it.
Okay.
Oh, very cool. But yeah, I need to get back. There will be like all the OSTs will be in here, by the way. So
Eventually, yep, they'll all make their way in there. By
it's
the way,
just like I have it. What?
Go ahead. Go ahead.
Oh, it's just I haven't yet since Roblox needs the format of the file to be MP3, which I can't get from GarageBand. So I have to do a whole conversion for every single song. So
Oh yeah, okay. I was going to show you how to do that, but you already know how to do that. And yeah, it is a pain in the butt to do that. Yeah. But for those of you who don't know, Kaachee composes these OSTs himself. So mostly uses the loops in GarageBand for iPad, but Kaachee, but you've been moving away from the loops now.
Yeah, I only use it for this one because I wanted to be really accurate to the old one. So
yeah, because you're doing a recreation. Yep.
Yeah. Okay. Stop playing. And we gotta find the actual lobby music, so we'll just get lobby music equals game not workspace dot new, and then we just gotta say lobby music playing equals fall. That should work. And then for pause, I gotta change this to old. Change this. Music, no, lobby music. Okay. This game dot workspace get this one, and then we gotta make music dot playing equals false, and then lobby music dot playing equals true. Okay, that should work. Test it out. There will be a progress bar later, but not right now.
I was just going to say I'm looking up on my other display over here. Since you were mentioning OSTs and GarageBand for iPad, Kaachee's older brother Biggie Cheese uses Logic Pro.
Yeah.
To compose his music and stuff, and I use Ableton, but I'm looking at. I know Biggie uses Logic Pro on his laptop. So I'm looking at Logic Pro X for Windows right now and seeing what that's about. Because eventually we're going to have to upgrade Kaachee to either Ableton or Logic Pro, and I'm thinking Logic Pro would be probably better. It's good to have the different systems in the house. Like if I gain the expertise in Ableton, and you two, Kaachee and Biggie, get the expertise in Logic Pro, then we've got two very, very big DAWs covered there, you know?
Yeah. That's how it works, by the way.
Yeah, we can't hear the music turning on and shutting off, but so there's two of the songs that you have in there.
I don't know if I can do this super quickly, but I might be able to. Let me do a little bit of research real quick.
Okay.
Because I need to find out how to convert a WAV file, because for some reason when I added the new lobby music in, it was imported as an M4A. So.
All right. Yeah, that's a problem. What format does Roblox take now? Is it MP4 or
MP3?
MP3. I mean, yeah, MP3. I keep saying MP4 because I've been processing a lot of video lately, and like for YouTube, that's MP4. Right, music is MP3. Yeah, there are different ways that you can do conversions. Probably the quick and dirty way to do it is there are free audio converters online that will convert a wave to an MP3 to a M.4A.
Currently doing that right now.
Yeah.
Yeah, currently doing that. So.
Yep. But the DAWs usually have that function built into them. Like Ableton, I can export that in any kind of format that I want to. That GarageBand for iPad, though, is wow, it's super strict about that.
Okay, I got it.
How's the quality and the compression on that?
I have no idea. I genuinely don't know. So, I'm on Roblox. Let me show you how Roblox developers upload their music to games.
Here we go.
This should not get copyrighted, by the way. It is not copyrighted on YouTube, so it should not get copyrighted here.
Yeah.
You can see new lobby music, old lobby music. See, it only says MP3 or .ogg.
What's a .ogg? I haven't seen that before.
I don't know. Eradicate.
I'm looking that up on my other display.
Very funny. Work. Yeah, no, it's not the right one.
Don't.
I apparently This is the. Why do I have the unfinished one on my computer? Like, what am I doing right now? Hold up. Let me do
All right.
some
So
stuff.
OGG files are a file, are a free and open container format primarily used for audio files. Use the .ogg extension. OGG audio files store music with less bandwidth because OGG format saves audio data that applies to Vorbis to your data. Okay, sure.
Found the full version of it.
Yay.
So annoying. Why do I have the? Why did I download the old version that I didn't finish? Okay. Going to archive that.
So do you want us to be able to see this part right now, or?
No.
Okay.
Stop it. Okay.
Stop it. Stop.
Okay. Finding a website right now, which is the same one I use, so. Oh, this actually has a lot of stuff I can convert it to. That's good.
Yeah, just watch out for spam on those free services like that.
Converting. Downloaded.
Just imagining the bass line I'd be playing to this right now. And that's just stream music too. This is Moving to Miami by Lexica.
That is the correct version. Let's go. I did not
Okay,
mess
here
it
we go.
up. Okay. Wait, let me just delete this one. Rename this. Let me share my screen again so you can see. Shout out to this website for helping me do this. So good job. Thank you for doing that for me.
Yeah, if you save the link to that, I'll post it in the VOD archive.
He's
Eradicate.
I'm gonna be so mad if this is... I don't want to advertise my song. No.
Not yet, anyway.
Works. It works. It works. It works. It works.
Yay. Wow, that was pretty fast, Kaachee. Even with the mistake there,
It took like 5 minutes, I think.
yeah, well done. Well done. That would have taken me like an entire stream to do that, to fix it.
Please stop snapping. Please stop.
Well, again, I think you could just type in a value there, right?
Yeah.
Sometimes it's
That's a good
easier than
point.
just trying to physically nudge it around with your mouse. You just type in the value. Yeah, like that's a little too much, so you go a little less with a couple decimal places, right?
I think like 2.7 should do it.
Yeah, just bring
No.
it up to where roughly where the other one is. That looks
That's good.
pretty good, right?
Yeah. So in this one, eradicate. Okay. I don't think that's how you spell that, but good enough. Now this used to be the old one, I'm pretty sure. Where is it? Over here. Where is it? Is it really screenshot 158? No, because it doesn't work. Here, let me just go to the contracts because I know that has the image I'm looking for. Scrolling. Take no takedown. That one. What? Oh, because I didn't have it in the game. Wow. Because oh yeah, it's because the boss was an old boss. Yeah. Okay. My fault. Okay. Guess we're just gonna have to use this. I thought I actually had it, but I apparently did not, so. You can see Soup doing some stuff back there. I want to change this. Yep, works. We don't want it to be playing, and we don't want it to be looping. Okay. Close all of these random scripts I have open. Where is it? Right here. Okay, yeah, that should be it. Okay. And this one, we just also got to change to eradicate and should perfectly work fine. Oh, I forgot to change the name to eradicate, but it is fine.
Okay, just refreshing the stream on the phone. So I always watch the stream on the phone just to make sure that we're seeing what you guys are seeing. Eventful break.
That's actually eradicate, but
Right. You just gotta update the name.
yeah, I really like this song.
Yeah, and viewers will be able to hear it. You can also hear. I think these are on your Discord as well, aren't they, Kaachee?
Yeah, and on I think except for this one, the intermission, Eventful Break, and Eradicate are on YouTube. So if you go to my Kaachee clan and you go to Dungeons Fans OST, it should be on there.
Mm-hmm.
Oh, I love that part so much. I'm just listening to my own music. I don't think I'll ever be able to top that. I think I will be able to top that eventually, but now I don't think I'll be able to top that.
Yeah,
right
it's
now.
hard to imagine, isn't it? I think
Yeah.
that sometimes with some of the music I create, and I'm like, this is it. This is the best I'm going to be able to do. And then it's like, maybe sometimes it'll take a little bit of time. Sometimes it doesn't take any time at all. You know, I'll just be noodling around and I'm like, oh my God, this is so much better. You know, just.
Radio GUI, so contract. Where is the contracts right now? Contracts is at place. So that means that's where it appears. So we want it to appear right here. And no, I think that should be fine. Yeah, that should work. So we just gotta move this. What? Why does that go there? That should be going here. Right here. Yep, that's gone. Okay. Okay. So currently the radio button is the duck in the toilet. So if you see a duck with in the toilet, that is the radio. That did not appear in the right spot.
That's not the toilet. Can you click on an item and get its coordinates?
Yeah, wait, I think I know why it's not working. It's just because it's like, this setup's really weird. It won't let me just directly paste it in. Annoying. Okay, sure. There you go. It's doing the complete opposite.
Yeah, I was gonna say.
That's why it's not working. It's doing the actual complete opposite of what I wanted to do.
Do you have your signs right on your coordinates?
Yeah, I don't think I do.
All right, and you got to look carefully at your opening and closing brackets too, right?
Yeah. For some reason, oh no, that works because word should work. That's still a weird glitch. I don't know why it.
Okay, it looks like it's working. Again, we can't hear the music, so we don't know. So
It is working, so.
nice. All right.
There's
Now,
more...
what happens to the auto-playing lobby music when you go
Oh, it
into
just turns
radio?
off.
Okay, so it turns off and it replaces it with whatever you're choosing from radio.
Yeah, and then it starts.
And then after the song on radio is finished, if you don't select anything else, the auto lobby music just comes back on.
Yeah.
Yep, ideal.
Okay, what was I gonna do again? Oh yeah, I remember. Dude. Rolling. And we want to change this to say eradicate. That's not the right thing. I think that's actually how you spell it. Yeah, I spelled that wrong. Something else. Oh yeah, the settings. The settings. I wanted to change the settings. The settings. Settings. Mute. This won't work. I'm gonna have to do like a whole like if statement. Oh, okay. Yeah, I don't know if I could do that on stream. That's gonna take a long time for me to figure out how to do. So.
All right, so what are you talking about doing?
So, script is like, this just turns the music off. So if you don't want to listen to the music, you don't have to.
Okay. Yep.
Like, I have to do the whole thing for that.
Uh-huh. Understood.
I might have like a bool value or something. Tell me if it's playing or not. I'm probably just gonna do that, but I'm not doing that in stream because it's gonna take a long time. So.
Okay. All right. Fair enough.
What are you doing here, buddy? I was about to update the game, but I think Soup gave me this guy to do something with him. So for now, I will do something with this guy. But for now, he's just gonna be chilling right here. Yeah, he's gonna be fine.
Hidden behind the panel, doing God knows what.
Yeah, right behind me. Alright, we'll publish this, and we should be... Just save it, just in case. For some reason the publish didn't work, I saved it.
Alrighty.
So... Yep, just join Dummy Defense, I guess. It should be updated.
Okay, and then I can try out this play feature, radio feature, right?
Yeah, and you can try to create the new create match stuff.
Right. Okay.
I added a new. I also added a ton of new badges too.
So at this point, I'll switch over to my screen.
Oh, I joined my private server.
Okay, let's refresh Roblox right there. Let's go to friends right there. Let's go to friends
Yeah, I'm joining.
here. Let's go over to Kaachee. And then once I get the join button pops up, then I'll... Let's refresh. Are you in right now?
Yep, I'm in.
Because it's not giving me the option to join you.
Refresh.
Yeah, let's try it again. There may be a significant delay. Nope, still nothing.
Just go to your recently played and then.
Oh, there it
should
is.
show.
No, it just took a very long time. All right, there it is. Of course, I'm joining from the browser, so it has to install Roblox, start up, do all that. Dummy defense! All right, I'm going to kill the stream music. This is Kaachee's ultra cool. Lobby music. And he picked a really cool bass loop for this.
Yeah, these are actually multiple bass loops. I just combined them all together. They're all in the... If you wanted to know what they're all from, GarageBand, you go to the loops, you go to the bass, and you go into the funk section, and you choose only the actual bass guitar. Don't choose any of like the synth bass.
Yep.
Only the bass guitar.
All right, so how do I access this feature now?
So you see the guy sitting in the chair, right?
Guy sitting in the chair.
Alright. Oh, yeah, I don't think you see it. You see Walter White, right?
No, I got to get back up there.
No, like on the GUI, you see like left. You see on like your.
Oh,
left.
yeah. Oh, okay.
Walter
There's the
White.
picture of the duck in the toilet.
Yeah, click that.
All right, that's what you're talking about. Okay, understood. All right, so there's the radio. Now, if I choose one of these, the lobby music should stop playing, and then this
Yes,
song should
only for you, by the way.
Only
it
for
doesn't
me.
affect anyone else.
All right, so I'm going to try it out here. So I'm going to let this roll for a moment because this is a cool song. I like how you go back and forth between halftime and double time on this.
Really, I don't even have like a bass in it. I think
Not
it's
yet, it
just
doesn't.
I think it just straight up had a guitar, and then.
You know, I know a guy who could help you with that.
Yeah. No, because this was like a long time. I think that's when I first started stopped using loops. I think that's when I did this, so I just didn't have a guitar for some reason.
Yeah.
I didn't have a bass.
I know.
I didn't have a bass.
I'm being ridiculous. Now, if I shut this off, the lobby music should come back.
Yeah, and it should start playing exactly where you left off from.
Yeah, I didn't note that, but okay. All right, so radio option works. That's cool. Son, that is really cool. Okay, for viewers who might be lurking right now, we're in ad break right now. Those of you watching the VOD, of course, that doesn't affect you. Yeah, I like that bass harmonic there that he bends.
And the OG lobby music is also in the game, so you can do that too.
All right, so we wanted to try out the radio feature on there, but we also wanted to try something else.
Yeah, the matches got update.
The matches update. Okay, so how do I activate that?
You pull up you press George.
Okay. There it is. I got it. So now I have the matches GUI up here. So I guess I just
Yeah.
press matches, right?
Yeah, and you can change your map. And if you want to like just straight up get rid of the match, just press disband. By the way, right now you can't tell, but the it creates a folder, and that folder gets deleted when you make it. So
Very cool. Yep, it worked like a charm.
oh yeah, by the way, there's a new skin system, so the skins actually work. So
Okay,
and
so
it's broken because I forgot to put the GUI back to normal.
new skin system. So I should take a look at that, right?
No, because it is not working. Because so pretty much what happened was yeah, let me fix it. What happened is, how do I describe it? So Roblox Studios has like a different GUI layout, I guess. So things like if I put my GUI and made it look good on Roblox Studios, it will look horrible in the actual game because it's not scaled.
Oh, okay. So there's different scaling between that.
Yeah, so let me fix it. I think I have a Google Doc.
That's weird.
My screen's frozen right now, but I'll fix it
Okay.
in a second.
Well, it's not showing because I'm on my screen exclusively right now. So
Oh, okay.
yeah, when you're ready, let me know and I'll switch it over.
Starter GUI, game GUI. Yeah, skins. Let me change the position. Super's doing some stuff. Hold up, let me fix this. Can I select unanchor you? Anchor your humanoid root part and character. Okay, this should work. Okay, I did some stuff for Soup. Okay. Publish. Okay, you should be able to rejoin.
Yeah, I should log out and then rejoin, right?
Yeah, the way you join without like having to going through my account and then going to me,
Yeah.
is just go to your recently played.
Right. So if I go to home. Where is my recently played? Continue. Oh, there it is. I got it.
Why did I not change? Oh, it's because the server didn't get updated. Hold up, I need to shut down all the servers.
All right, so I should leave and restart, right? There it is. Disconnected.
Yeah. Yeah, because Soup was still in the server, so
Hey, I'd like to welcome in fellow buffoon, Lone Star. You guys can see the auto shout out there for Lone Star. Did I just try and push someone off the edge? No, of course not. Why would I ever do that to my good friend Soup? How you doing today, Lone? So Kachee's doing a little bit of coding in Roblox today. And so Kaachee just finished up installing the radio feature in the game Dummy Defense that he's been making. He and his dev team of friends. And so we get to see him slap that together and implement that right online during this stream, which is super cool. I'm good. How are you? I'm awesome. I got into the Buffooncraft community server a little bit this morning. Had a good long session there with Lux J Gaming, which was a lot of fun. And I have some voiceover stuff I have to do after the stream for our friend Cyclopsalops. A little bit tired, but Other than that, I'm doing okay. It's a busy day.
Oh my god, his pants just fell off.
What? Should I be logged in
Alright.
right now or?
Yeah.
Okay.
So Soup forgot to rig the model before I did it. So all of his all like everything that he had attached to him just fell off. So his pants just went flying off the map. So
Oh, ark. I wish I could have seen that.
see, look, I'm weird.
Oh, where are you? There you are.
Yeah, he just got completely dismantled.
Pull yourself
Yeah.
together, man. All right, so this is the, if you're just joining us and you're unfamiliar with Kaachee's dummy defense game, this is the new lobby for the game, right? This is a tower defense style game. And this is the lobby that he's been designing. He composed this lobby music that's playing right now. And so while you're waiting for the maps to load and stuff, this is where the player will be hanging out. I should make my movements here a little bit more smooth so they're not so vomit inducing with the motion sickness. I've been on Season 5 server doing more of the Last Bastion. Yeah, in fact, this next Friday coming up, I'm back on the Season 5 server. And I'll be finishing up over at the Guardian Farm and then probably back over to the Iron Farm and get that finished up.
Yeah, I need to finish 2 songs actually. So yeah, I need to finish the only thing I know for real cover. It's this one guitar riff that I'm trying to.
Yeah, you wanted my help transposing that, right?
Yeah.
Yeah. It's just that one lick, right? That one.
Yeah.
Yeah, that should be pretty easy.
Yeah, so that's why I haven't been working on it. So.
Yeah, and what's the other one? You said there's 2 pieces that you need to work on.
The other one is I forgot what it was. I forgot. It's for like. I think it's for a boss, but I don't remember what boss. Yeah, I made this lobby music. I think I started it yesterday. Like, I barely started it last night, and then I just finished it this morning pretty easily.
Yeah, you've been pretty busy this morning. Weekends are the days I usually sleep in late because usually Kaachee and I have to get up pretty early and Mrs. Thunderhand to get him off to school. So Saturday and Sunday I sleep in a little bit. Today I slept in a little bit later than I wanted to, but it's all good. All right, Kaachee, we have about what is normally about 17 minutes left of the stream.
Yeah.
Would you like to do anything with those 17 minutes, or?
Yeah, sure. Why not add some more music?
Okay. So I'll switch back over to your screen so folks can see you loading that up, all right? So let me see. Let's go back to Kaachee's screen, which is right over here.
Actually, I probably should just share my... Okay.
Yeah, so Kaachee's screen isn't refreshed right yet, but it's probably because he's loading stuff up. There it is.
Okay, so... and there it is. I'm right here. You can't see me pull up the files, but I'm pulling them up. Stop.
All right. Yeah,
So
because we're on the Wave to MP3 converter page right now.
Jordan. For
I think this is what Procastle is the name of this one, but there's a lot of these. Oh, Podcastle, yeah, and there's a lot of these free services for converting these over. This one seems to be pretty easy to use and pretty fast, right?
Yeah. Oh, I'm feeling a weird feeling in my leg. All right, this should be fine since I did upload this to YouTube. I did not get a copyright strike.
Okay, that's good. But the good thing about Kaachee's music is that if there are any copyright disputes, DMCA stuff over his originally composed music, yeah, I can defend that easily. Yeah, I can provide the score for it and everything, just like that. So if there's if you compose your own music, we use MuseScore for that, but being able to have it scored with a copyright date on it is pretty important. It really packs a punch. It's just one thing. So having that ability to score just the basic melody, harmony, and rhythm of it, it doesn't have to be precise in that, or it doesn't have to be overly detailed. That's what I mean. It does have to be precise, but it doesn't have to be overly detailed. If you could just get the chords for the harmony and the main melody to it and the rhythm to it, then that's enough. And if you have that scored, and somebody challenges you and says, "Hey, that's not original music. That's my music," and or whatever, you slap that score right in their face, and that shuts them right down. And we have that ability. Both Kaachee and I have that ability. Kaachee's still working on that. He's getting there, but
one more.
Sometimes I get a little bit of criticism because I take a little too much time writing a piece of music and I score everything out after I've developed it. And people think that that's a little superfluous and unnecessary, but I tell you, if there are claims. Besides, it's nice to have a record of it like that in that kind of format. Swarm of Souls.
Yeah, let me open up Roblox Studios real quick.
Okay, so I should log out and log back in, right? Because you're going to refresh that?
No, because I actually need to update it, and I need to make the updates.
Oh, that's right. That's right. So you need a little bit of coding first.
Coding shouldn't be that hard. It should be like super easy.
So my hope is for my other, God, are we up to three other streams right now? Is to start getting my own playlist of original music for my streams with videos to go along with them. And then get Kaachee to start making all of his own original stream music. And so the streams will now feature. I mean, we've been satisfied with Epidemic Sound. They've been doing a great job with their royalty-free music, but to have our own original music is really cool. The soup bouncing around there.
Soup, how dare you move the GUI?
All right, so Kaachee, of course, is doing this the most efficient way possible, and it's just copying the previous example and then altering it. So proud. I mean, Kaachee, how much of coding is just doing that, right? Like when you have your original script and it works, and then you just need to make another one, you just copy it and then modify it.
Like, why would you not do that?
Yeah,
like,
why would you not do that? Because I can type really fast, and I like to show everybody how fast I can type. It's like, yeah, copy, paste, alter, done.
like, I would never want to waste my time. Like, Like, I barely have any time to do this, and doing that would make it so much harder.
Yep.
I'm just getting the audio ID.
Yeah, I should pause here and look over at Kachee's screen here while I'm doing. There you go. So if you're just joining us, Kachee's been working on a radio feature for the lobby of his game. And so you can click on the icon, it opens up the radio interface, and there are several songs that he's loading up right now. He already has a couple in place, and so he's adding more songs to it. And so you have lobby music that automatically plays, which you guys can probably hear because it's playing through my system right now. And then, but you can override that and you can change the lobby music to whatever you want. But as Kaachee has pointed out, it only changes for you individually as the player, which is really cool.
I'm gonna change the image of that.
All right.
Because that is the actual tower the music is for. It's just like I'm gonna make it look cooler. So
Yeah. Okay. So so dummy defense again to get some of you caught up. Dummy defense is a tower defense, tower blitz kind of game in its structure and its gameplay and stuff. And so Kaachee has for each tower, Kaachee either has or is planning to have its own theme music for that. So I'm gonna switch to standing mode. I'm getting a little uncomfortable here. A few minor adjustments here. Here we go. All right.
yeah.
All right. Kaachee's loading up the thumbnails for each one of the songs now. I guess I should have stayed in there because I had the stream music playing.
Yeah, all of this, Swarm Souls, Recharge, Eradicate, and Eventful Break are on YouTube, and are the current only ones in the new lobby music. I have a playlist of all of the old, like the really, really old music. So you can check that out if you want. But I'm just listening to the music.
You ready to update the game?
Yeah, I think that's good. Okay.
All right. I should be getting kicked from the lobby here pretty soon.
Yeah, pretty soon. Do something real quick. radio. Right here. Put that. There. Okay. Okay. Shut down all servers.
Oh, there it goes. All right, I shall wait until this refreshes.
Okay. You should be able to join now.
All right. Give me a sec here. Dummy defense right there. Let's join it on up.
Super join.
Okay, there we are. With Kaachee and soup. Okay, so we have the regular lobby music. You've joined Kaachee. All right, and let's try this out. So the way that this works is we zoom out, we come over here to the duck inside the toilet. The origin of Skibbity Toilet. And then,
Yeah.
Okay, so here are the different songs I can choose from the radio. I could choose Intermission, Eventful Break, Eradicate, Recharge, and Swarm of Souls. So we heard Eradicate last time, so let's try Recharge. And then it loops back. Nice. All right, so that's Recharge. And then you see when I shut it off, the lobby music comes back on. That's really cool. And a Swarm of Souls. There's a kick coming in. Yeah, nice. I think that's open hi-hat that's being smashed right there. So these OSTs, while you're playing the dummy defense game and the towers will be coming out and stuff, you'll be hearing this music.
Storm of Souls and Recharge are only when you're using ability for character
Okay.
power. So it's like if you played Dragon Ball Z Dokkan Battle, when you use an active skill for character, it plays like a little animation with music, and when the animation done, it still plays the music. So that's why the song's like a minute long.
Right.
Like, of course, the animation's not gonna be a minute long. It's gonna be like a couple seconds.
Right. Yeah, that's a good point too, right? So you just got to remember you're listening to an OST, and you got to remember what the OST is for, right? What its purpose is. Okay, Kaachee, we are at time. Would you like to close the stream at this time? Conclude our stream. That's the word I'm looking for. Alrighty. Let's wrap it up, shall we?
Okay. Well, I can't eat food because there is no food.
Not yet. There will be as soon as I close things up.
I'm gonna get some apple juice.
Alrighty.
The third one today. Okay, bye.
All right. Thanks for sharing with us today, Kaachee. That was super, super cool. All right. Let me switch over to the cam scene. But I'll keep Kaachee's music going on the other display. There we are. All right. Let us see if there's anybody to whom we can raid. Of course, our friend Kumakwa is playing right now. Is he actually playing D&D? I think he is. Look at that. Okay, let us raid over to Kumakwa. Preload a stream here. Let's go a little bit smoother. There, of course, is the raid message in the chat. You can copy and paste that into the chat if you would like to enjoy us, if you would like to join us. And I always encourage people to join along the raid with us, even if you can't stay for the entire stream. At least drop in and say hi, and if you feel so inclined, a follow, some bits, and maybe a sub if you feel so inclined again. Just remember that we do this Kaachee Time stream every Sunday from 4 to 6 p.m. Pacific Standard Time. Let me see. Our next stream will be Wednesday. That'll be from noon to 2 p.m. Pacific Standard Time, and that will be Generations. We should be back on the season. We should be back on the Generations 5 survival world, working in there. And the stream after that will be Friday. That will be from 11 a.m. to 1 o'clock p.m. That will be Buffoocraft SMP. And we should be on the Season 5 server, finishing up over at the Guardian Farm, the collection system over there. And that should do it. Catch you soon, Thunder. Thank you so much, Lone Star, for dropping on by. Good to see you, buddy. Let's set up the actual raid itself. There we go. And the raid for our good friend Kumakwa is counting down. For family-friendly viewers, I'd just like to remind you that Kuma's stream is rated mature. There's some language in there and stuff, but he's super fun. Right now he's playing Dungeons & Dragons, which I'm interested in seeing. But but we have a lot of shared community. You'll probably know a few of the viewers in there if you're familiar with our community members here. Okay, with that, I would like to wish you enjoy the rest of your afternoon, evening, morning, wherever you happen to be. Join us again next time. I'm really looking forward to it. Bye for now, and raiding out to Kumakwa.